Morning guys.
Merry Christmas!
It's not quite Christmas yet, is it?
Still November.
Right, aye, it's still November, but I'm calling it Natalie. Christmas is starting now.
It is.
Aye,
It is.
as you can tell by her antler ears or whatever the hell you call these things.
My antlers.
Aye, her antlers. So today we're going to be putting up the Christmas tree. We had to buy a new one, so we had to go and get one from Asda. We were actually going to buy one from the garden centre a bit, but unfortunately they had a power cut when we walked in, so we couldn't get it for there.
I was reading up online, a lot of people had the power cut because of that really horrible storm we had the other day.
So we got a new Christmas tree for Asda, and it's got, what's it got? Pine cones and berries already in it. I know. Actually looks pretty cool. We get new lights from them.
We don't have a new tree topper.
We don't have a new tree topper this year, unfortunately. And we got some new, I'm going to show you these on before and after. So we got, I don't know if this will focus, we got this.
A little seal.
A wee seal.
It's my spirit animal.
That's for Natalie basically, she's a baby seal. Then we got this one to go in the tree as well.
A little Brucey shark.
I don't know if it's going to focus because Natalie's in the picture. It's no focusing. Nah.
Bruce doesn't like his photo
No,
taken.
doesn't he? And then when we were in Asda last night, we managed to, we seen this. And this isn't going to focus either, is it? Nah.
So cute.
Maybe, but you can sort of see that. We'll show you it when it's on the tree as well. Looks pretty cool. And another one we got, oh, that one almost fell, was this one. Oh, come on, focus. There you go. That one's pretty cool, isn't it?
I love it.
So, we're going to get the Christmas tree all done up. I hope you enjoyed our Edinburgh vlog that we done. Give this video a big like and give us a subscribe if you've not, because we've noticed that I think 90% of you don't subscribe, so if you could subscribe that would help us out, that would be magic. And we're going to get on with doing the Christmas stuff.
Chris obviously didn't want to do this today, by the way, I should point that out. He wanted to wait till December. I'm
a bah humbug. But we're going to go and do it because Natalie pressured me into doing it, so let's do it.
It's Christmas time.
The time lapse didn't work too well, so we just left it, and here is the finished tree. I think it looks cracking with these brand new lights we got.
I love it.
They're so cool.
Just last year's topper.
Now we'll take you for the top of all our stuff that we've got on it. So we've got Natalie's Fantasia key, which is cool. Then we've got our brand new seal.
So cute. What should we name him?
I don't know. Dave the seal.
Dave.
And then we have this one here that we tried to show you earlier that wouldn't focus. Got that from Asda, £1.50. What a bargain.
Lovely.
Next one, we've got the wee 3 bears. And what are they from?
Brave.
Brave.
The little brothers.
They're cool. Then we're on to Mickey round here. He's quality.
These were a Secret Santa.
Like these ones were?
Yeah.
The Minnie and Mickey.
Absolutely love them.
They're brilliant. Minnie's no one to focus. There we go. There's Minnie. Right, who we got next? Where are they hiding? Oh, this is Natalie's favourite.
Oh, Stitch.
How cool is Stitch?
I love him so much.
He actually matches our Christmas tree lights. After Stitch, we have the next one we got from Asda. Again, £1.50. What a steal. Right, wee bit of focus. There we are. That's cool, isn't it? And then we're on to Baymax.
What were you calling them?
Big Hero 6.
That's not what you were calling them.
I'm sure that's what I called him, don't I?
You called them BB-8.
BB-8. That's him, BB-8. And then we got these ones. Oh, wait a minute. I'm sure this was on last year's tree.
Yeah, it was.
This one. How cool is that?
That was the last one we managed to get out the Disney shop. Usually we go every year and buy one, but we can't anymore because they're closed.
That's Natalie's favourite on the tree, I've got to think. Maybe this one as well. Did you say this was your grand's?
Yeah.
Or your gran gave you it?
Yeah.
It's a wee cracker. Then what we want to hear, we've got a C. I think my mum gave me it.
Yeah,
is that right?
The end's broke.
The end's broke, unfortunately. Sorry, Jeannie. Then we're on to our Nightmare Before Christmas ones. These ones are brilliant. Look at them. So cool. Then we got another one. What are these guys' name again? Lotsome, Jetsam and somebody? No? Am I right?
Lock, Stock and Barrel.
There we go, Lock, Stock and Barrel. I thought that was a Guy Ritchie film. And how cool is this one?
Oh,
I think this is a new edition.
Yeah, this is from Jenna, Ayla, Olivia and Adam last year for Christmas. We all know reindeers are like my favourite, so...
Cracking into it.
It looks so good on our tree.
I think this is another new edition.
Yeah, they're in the same lovely bunch.
There you go. So guys, if you want to know what to get us for Christmas, you can get us some of this stuff.
Fox and the Hound.
Fox and the Hound, brilliant. Then we're on to Sully. Sorry about the boxes in the background there, guys. That's all the Christmas stuff that's coming out for the trees. Then, oh, how cool is he?
The Mayor.
He's class, isn't he? I love the purple glitter. And then the shark. What are we going to name the shark, Natalie? And
Bruce.
don't say Bruce.
Bruce is his
I knew
name.
you were going to say Bruce. Bruce is his name apparently, guys.
I put him beside a blue light.
And then we have Zero. A blue light. Why?
Because he's a shark and that's where he goes.
Alright, okay. Then we've got Zero. Then we have this wee one here. What is this here?
That's one your mum gave us. It was a nice wee box.
Ah, that's a wee cracker. Oh, aye, that wee red box I've got.
Yeah,
Look at this thing. It's like an old school thing.
I love it.
It's cracking. Then we've got the man himself, Jack Skeleton. And then, who got is this one?
I think it was my mum.
It's a wee cracker too, isn't it? And that's it, isn't it? So that's the treat, and obviously, the topper is Oogie Boogie.
He's last year's. We usually get a new one every year, but we've had to just use the same one this year. But he's still cool. So I have finished putting all the wee finishing touches after Chris has done the tree. So some of you guys, if you've seen our old videos, will know Ralph. He is on Santa's good list, as you can see by his badge. If you're new to the channel, this might be the first time you're meeting Ralph, but Ralph's our little Christmas elf friend and he guards the tree and the presents. And we've got our little Christmas graveyard. I got this Christmas wrap off of the Disney store and I absolutely love it. Obsessed. And we also have a few wee boxes and stuff just to keep everything together. And we also have our little Christmas cat. She's on the prowl for something but not sure what. It's quite dark, but when I put the light on you can't really see it. But this is our Christmas button I got a few years ago from a place on Etsy called Heart to Heart by Helen. It's all one word. Absolutely love it. Got some of her wedding stuff as well from her. So cute. I love this. I love it. Groot's feeling a bit Christmassy. And so is Tony and Captain Spaulding. Remember the three guy? I think I'm like one. Made him last year. Love it. Just a wee project for last year. And we've got Mickey from 2016 and Minnie to match. Had some little Minnie and Yoda pops in our NC. C usually goes before the end, but he won't stay up, so he's just leaning.
Right guys, thanks very much. That's been our Christmas vlog and I hope you've enjoyed it.
I'm going to put up the rest of the stuff because Chris doesn't like doing that bit, so
no.
He's going to go and sit and have a rolling sausage and I'm going to put up the rest of the stuff. I might show you just before this bit a wee run round of everything else I've done. Put the wreath up in the front door and all the other Christmas decorations up. But Merry Christmas, Christmas has started, alright?
I know, we hope you have a good Christmas when it comes. We'll have hopefully a few more vlogs before Christmas.
Fingers crossed, we've got a few things planned, hopefully weather permitting and with new restrictions and stuff like that, but hopefully we've got another few wee things we should be able to get to.
Cool. Right, give us a like and a subscribe. Thank you.
Merry Christmas!
Not yet, you don't get that yet.
Merry Christmas.
Bye.
Bye!